The Owl and the Owl and the Pussycat. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful big pink green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked at the stars above the sky to a small guitar. Oh, lovely pussy, my love. What a beautiful pussy you are, What a beautiful pussy you are, Pussy said to the owl. You elegant flower, how trembling sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long was have tale. But what shall we do for a ring? They stole away for a year and a day to the land there were palm tree groves, and there in the woods a piggy-wig stood, with a ring of the end of his nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, you are willing to sell for one shilling your ring, said a buzz piggy. I will. So they took it away and were married the next day. But the turkey who lived on a hill, they dined on mint and snails and creams, which they ate with a runcible spoon, and hand in hand on the edge of the sea. They danced by the light of the moon. They danced by the light of the moon.